Today we'll look at how to update track via Webforms. So we'll just open up track via. And we'll go to apps and under Webforms. So here's a list of all the Webforms, and not all of these will have work orders in them. So to check to see which ones do, we can look at construction daily report, and we can go into table setup, and we see that this one has work orders in it, as indicated by work order field. So then we'll capture the work orders from track via. So we'll go to web form on the left, select questions above answers, and then this gives you the HTML code to be able to edit. So we'll just do Control F for find at the bottom, and then we'll type in work order, and that brings us right to the work order text in HTML. So this is a list of the work orders, the values, which are the track via tags. So we'll select starting from option down to select. We'll highlight that and hit Control C to copy. Go into open notepad, and we'll just paste this in here because we'll reuse this code in several different of the work forms. So we'll just save a copy of it. Now we don't need to do this, but I like to move the other to the top of the list, so we'll just highlight that and hit Control X to cut it, and then go to the top of the list, hit space a couple times, and Control V to insert it. Now we'll just save this because we're going to reuse it. We're going to be reusing it later, so we'll save, and we'll just save this under track via directory on the L drive and under work order. So here are the other work orders from the previous updates. So I'll just put in today's date, description, so work orders May 4th, 2015, and that's saved on the L drive. So we'll just keep this open. And next we'll open up Windows Explorer, and we'll go to the track via directory, so L drive, TerraWater, track via, and we'll go into, there's a directory for each of the web forms, so we'll go into the construction crew daily report, and I started editing one here. Rev 21 is for today, so we'll just right click that, and we'll open with HTML editor, in this case bluegriffon.exe, and that opens up this program, Blue Griffon. And now at the bottom there's two buttons. There's a WYSIWYG, which is the kind of physical representation of what the web page will look like, and then the source code, which is the source code in behind. So under the WYSIWYG button, we'll update the revision. So this will be Rev 21, updated today, and we'll save that as Rev 21. So that's already been saved. We'll go to the source button, and this is where we'll paste in the text that we copied. So we'll highlight this text, hit Control C to copy it. We'll scroll down to the work order section, or we can do Control F for find, and then type in work, and this should bring us down to the work order section here. And we want to make sure that we're pasting in the exact right information. So you see select here, we want to leave this line, but we want to replace from the option down to slash select the end of that. So we'll just open up this, hit Control C to copy, and we'll select this text again exactly where we want to go from option to slash select, and we'll hit Control V to paste. So that updates with the new list of work orders. And we'll click on save. And for some reason it's not saving. Let's hit save as. And we'll just add an underscore here just to create a new file, and that should save it. So that has created the new HTML file that will be uploaded to TrackVia. So we'll go back into TrackVia, and we'll go to the apps, Webforms app, and then at the bottom here there's Webforms master table. Now this table is where we upload the HTML code to. So we'll click on the Webforms master table, and then we'll click on the correct corresponding form. So in this case it's Terra Water Systems Daily Report Construction. We'll open up that, and under description we've just been adding notes for each revision. So for revision 21 on May 4th, we updated the work orders list. Now this button here is remove document, so we'll remove revision 20 and add revision 21. So we'll click on that to remove it, and we'll click on this icon here, and it opens up this window. So we'll go to the TrackVia construction crew daily reports, and 21 underscore is the one we just saved. We'll open that one, and then in the top right we'll click on save changes.